This is a quick start tutorial for Essay Writer, the interactive visual writing tool designed to encourage and develop writing skills for students with SpLDs. Create Ideas lets you brainstorm all your ideas instantly. Then, drag and drop your ideas together. Essay Writer lets you organize your thoughts after you have already noted them down. Students with SpLDs learn and organize themselves better with color coordination. Essay Writer allows you to color full chapters of text. By clicking on the Hide Show branches, you can focus on specific areas of your essay or test your own memory by hiding your ideas from view. Depending on your own working style, you can switch to Map View, Text View, or use Essay Writer's unique split-screen view, allowing students to view their mind map and document simultaneously. The built-in referencing tool allows you to complete citations and bibliographies as you go, reducing the time spent collecting this information after completing your essay. Essay Writer does all the hard work for you, which means you are free to worry less about the additional task of reference lists. You can use the unique 3D presenter view for a dynamic way of showcasing your work to others, or engage your working memory with another visual aid. Once your essay is finished, this can be exported into Word, PDF, Project, and even PowerPoint. Find out more by visiting our website at fasteressays.com.